家好，又閒情相聚嘅時候啦 ，Welcome to my chit chat time。今日我介紹嘅就係好多親友都叫我整嘅焗芝士蛋糕。I'm going to share how to make a baked cheesecake, a very rich one。我首先準備晒所需要嘅材料啦。I prepare all the ingredients that I need first。跟住就將啲餅乾打碎啦 ，and then crumble the biscuits。將牛油同埋餅乾碎混埋一齊之後，將佢放喺一個器皿嗰度啦。Mix melt butter with crumbled biscuits before placing into the container。用匙羹將佢哋壓實之後，將佢擠喺冰櫃嗰度備用。Press the mixture and put them in the freezer for later use。將芝士切成粒狀之後，將佢打成軟身。Cut the cheese in small cubes and blend until it becomes creamy。跟住將3隻雞蛋倒埋落去一齊再打。Add 3 eggs and blend for a bit for later use。將白嘅朱古力溶咗之後，混合埋酸嘅忌廉。Heat white chocolate until melt and then mix with sour cream。將混合好嘅白朱古力同埋酸忌廉放入有芝士嘅器皿度之後呢，繼續將佢哋混合啦。Add the chocolate and sour mixture with the cheese mixture and continues to blend。將之前壓好嘅餅乾碎喺冰櫃嗰度攞返出嚟之後呢，就將芝士、酸忌廉同埋朱古力嘅溶液呢就倒返落去。Remove the biscuits mixture from the freezer and then put the cheese mixture onto it。將焗爐用150度預熱10分鐘之後呢，就將呢一個芝士蛋糕嘅盤呢擠入去焗1個小時嘅。Preheat oven at about 150 degrees for 10 minutes and then bake the cheesecake for about 1 hour。1個小時之後，芝士蛋糕焗好咗，拎出嚟降溫，芝士嘅裂縫就會收復，然後將佢擠落雪櫃雪大概6個鐘頭。After 1 hour, the baked cheesecake is ready. Remove it from the oven and keep it cool before put it in the fridge for about 6 hours。將雪好嘅芝士蛋糕攞出嚟切成小塊，跟住就可以備用㗎啦。Cut the cheesecake into different sizes as you wish before serve。希望你鍾意呢一套影片，記得分享俾你嘅親友，訂閱，俾個 like 同埋俾意見。下次再見，祝你身體健康。Hope you like this video. Remember to share, subscribe, like and comment. Bye now and keep healthy.